Welcome back, friends. Today's topic is regarding how to use the SUMIFS function in Microsoft Excel. First of all, let's see the description of the function. The SUMIFS function adds the cells specified by a given set of conditions or criteria. It means the SUMIFS function will calculate the total of numbers based on more than one condition. Here in this sheet, I have the data of sales for XYZ Superstore Private Limited. The data contains date, item name, sales representative name, quantity sold, and mode of sales. The requirement here is to find out the total quantity sold for the item given here and for the sales representative given here. Because in this data, the item names and the sales representative names are repeating multiple times. In this cell, we have to calculate the total quantity sold for television and sold by Jack. In this example, we have two conditions. The first condition is the item name and the second condition is the sales representative name. So to calculate the total quantity sold that meets these two conditions, use the SUMIFS function here. Press equal to, type SUMIFS, open bracket. In the sum range, you have to take the quantity sold range of the source data table. For that, click on the first cell of quantity sold, then press Ctrl Shift and down arrow key. That will select till the last row. Now press Ctrl plus backspace to see the formula. The D4 to D149 range is selected. Now lock this range by pressing the F4 key in the keyboard, which will apply the dollar symbols. Then put a comma. In the criteria range 1, we have to select this first criteria range of the source table, that is the item name range. So select it from the first cell till the last cell. Now lock this range by pressing the F4 key in the keyboard, then put a comma. In the criteria 1, select this first criteria, that is television. So click on this cell, then put a comma. In the criteria range 2, select the second criteria range in the source data table, that is the sales representative name range. So click on the first sales representative name, press Ctrl Shift down arrow key, then lock this range by pressing the F4 key in the keyboard, then put a comma. Now in the criteria 2 parameter, click on the second criteria, that is the sales representative. So click on this first sales representative name. Now close bracket, then press enter. Here you see 44 unit is the total quantity for the item television sold by sales representative Jack. Now you can simply use the fill handle to drag the formula down. And here you see the total quantity sold that meets these two conditions is calculated. So this is how we use the SUMIFS function in Microsoft Excel. If you want to practice this, you can download this sample workbook file from the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video tutorial.